Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, hope you are doing well and enjoying your life. I welcome you all to the channel of English with MW. I will telling you what the channel is about. Now viewers, the channel is basically about English grammar and English language. We will discussing every aspect of English grammar and English language through concept. So basically, I'll starting from sentence. What is a sentence? Now, I will be uploading videos that what is sentence, what sentence consists of, what is subject, what is predicate, what are the types of the sentence, what is interrogative sentence, what is declarative sentence, what is exclamatory sentence, what is optative sentence. All these sentences will be discussed in detail. And for example, I will give example. Now some of the sentences have also subtypes. For example, interrogative sentences have subtypes which is alternative, interrogative, and dative. The other types we will discussing in detail. Now I will also be uploading videos on noun. So what is noun? We will discussing types of the noun, what are common noun, what are proper noun. All these things will be studied in detail. Now again we will again discussing about the cases of pronoun. What is nominative case, which is basically subjective case, what is accusative case, which is an objective case, and possessive case. All these cases of the noun will be studied in detail. After that, we will studying about pronoun. So remember that pronoun is a very interesting topic in the English grammar. Now what are the pronouns, what are the types of the pronouns, what are first person pronoun, what are the second person pronoun, and what are the third person pronoun. All these pronoun will be studied in detail. What are reflexive pronoun, what are possessive pronoun, and all these and all of the singular and plural form of all the pronoun will be studied in detail. So stay tuned with English with MW. We will discuss every aspect of the English grammar. After that, I will be uploading videos on adjective. What are adjective? What are the types of the adjective? What are the degrees of the adjective? What is superlative degree? What is comparative degree? All these degrees of the adjective will be studied in detail, inshallah. And after that, we will discussing about verb. What is verb? What are the types of the verb? What is the auxiliary verb? What is main verb and helping verb? All these will be studied in detail, inshallah. And adverb, we also be uploading videos on adverb. What are the types of the adverb? So in a short, I can say we will discussing all of that of the word classes in detail. What classes mean? We will discussing parts of speech in a very comprehensive and through conceptual way, inshallah. After that, we will discussing about what is praise, what are the types of the praise, what is noun praise, what is adverbial praise, what is adjective praise. All these will be studied in detail. And after that, we will discussing about clause. What is clause? What are the types of the clause? Now what is independent clause? What is dependent clause? And through independent and dependent clause, we will understanding what is simple sentence, what is compound sentence, and what is complex compound sentence. So we will study all these basic or foundation course in a very comprehensive way. So stay tuned with English with MW. We will study this all topic in a very good manner. In this channel, I will also be uploading videos on the advanced course. Now basically, advanced course is for those students who know somewhat about beginner or the foundation course. Now how I will be teaching to you people advanced course. So look at it. I will starting from the tense. Now remember that when non-native teachers start tense, they basically start from the present indefinite tense and they further proceed for present continuous and present perfect and so on, past indefinite and past perfect and in the future. So all these things, but they didn't define tense, what the tense is. So we will discuss tense in a very conceptual way. What tense is? I will be first defining tense, and I'm pretty sure you don't know about tense, what the tense is. So make sure engage with me, English with the MW. You will know what the tense is. After that, when the tense is completed, I will be uploading videos on the active and the passive voice. Now remember that active and passive voice is also a very important topic and interesting topic as well in the English grammar. And in all of the competitive exam, active and passive voice is a compulsory. It must be included there. So we will studying active and the passive voice in a very comprehensive way. So remember that I'm just giving you a hint how we will studying active and passive voice. Now In order to understand active passive voice, we will first understand three things. We'll first understand adjective. We'll first understand subject, and then object, and then agent. When we understand these three things, we will be able to understand active and passive voice. And I am pretty sure you don't have the concept of the subject and agent, because we confuse with these two things. So make sure engage with English with MW. You will not confuse with subject and that of the agent. After that, we will discussing about direct and indirect. What is direct and indirect? Now I'm just giving you a very short example. All of the YouTuber or all of the non-native teacher draw a big chart on the board and tell you that present indefinite is converting to past indefinite, and present continuous is converting to past continuous, and present perfect is converting to past continuous, and so on. All these steppy things are given, and they draw a chart on the board and told you to remember that board in order to convert direct speech in indirect speech. So that's not the way to learn direct and indirect. After you will remember that, but after some time you lose these rules and regulation from your mind. In order to understand direct and indirect, we will first define what is direct and what is indirect. Remember that some of the people call direct and indirect speech, they call them narration. Remember that this is not narration. Direct and indirect are just two different things. Direct is basically dialogue, and dialogue is basically speaker and the spoken to. So we will understanding what is the direct speech, and after that we will understanding what is the indirect speech. After that we will discussing how to convert direct into direct speech. So stay tuned with English with MW. You will learning direct and indirect speech is in a very comprehensive way. So after that we will studying articles. Now remember, the articles also very interesting topic and a compulsory topic in that of the English grammar to understand. Now we basically say that there are two articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. And definite articles basically consist of the, and indefinite article consist of a and n. Now remember that n, non-native speaker says that n is an article, but the native speaker, the native writer have written in their book that n is not an article. A and n have just the same rules. Now stay tuned with English with MW. I will be shocking you that n is not article, and I'm pretty sure you don't know that why n is not an article. So stay tuned with English with MW. You will know n is not an article. After that we will study vocabulary. Now vocabulary is a very difficult thing, and for all of the English learner student, they find it difficult to learn vocabulary. For example, I'm just giving you a simple example. And when some of the champion people give you a book, that book contains around about 3,000 to 5,000 words, and they say to you people that they also give a strategy that learn 3 to 5 words a day and revise it after 2 hours and 3 hours, and then revise it after 10 days, and then revise it after 25 days, and then these words will be embedded in your brain. So remember that this is nonsense. This is not the way to learn vocabulary. We will learn vocabulary through concept. And what the concept is, I'm just giving you a hint. For example, when a person is dead, and the dead body, the court order, they do the postmortem of the dead body. So the doctor from the one single dead body give a lot of the evidence. In the same way, we will doing the postmortem of the vocabulary, postmortem of the words, and I'm guaranteed you, I'm again reminded that I guaranteed you from one word, we will learn round about 6 to 8 words. So we will doing postmortem of the words. So stay tuned with English with MW to learn vocabulary through concept. So we will doing postmortem of the word. After that we will learning what is punctuation. Now this also vary in the written and essay writing in all of the other competitive exam. They look about where you have put the punctuation in the right place or not. So in the punctuation we will study where the period or the full stop is used, where the comma is used, where the colon is used, where the semicolon is used. All these things will be studied in detail. So request you stay tuned with date of the English with MW to learn all these things which you find it difficult. And I hope if you watch the videos which we'll be uploading through this channel, inshallah you will not find any difficulty. I just give an introduction what the channel is about. Now we will uploading videos on the basic course. At the same time we'll also be uploading videos on the advanced course. So stay tuned with English with MW to learn English grammar as well as English grammar. So share this video with your friends, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.